Haka sauterik mentau benai leber arjar arpusan, Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla Konrad Kongkal Sangma, rengkat kejingadan lang Menteri Sorkar bekmi ikatanat kikam Bording elektrik abu tahil mondel, ulamat pang hagaba penteri kami ke skim ke bethamai Khuborjylla kabelatip kum ka one time settlement OTS scheme kaban penteri kam Lyngba kasnat Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited. Hakini kejingalang kabala penyat di Shillong jangka Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited Sanjay Goyal IAS laidon rengkat ru kiwede ki head officer jangka tanat ki kam Bording Khuborjylla. Lyngba kini ke OTS scheme kitu ki nongshong shnong Khuborjylla ki ba amla syu ban Siew ke bai Bording elektrik da bun benai bat ki bala syaot no ke Bording Henry minta kin la ban Siew kindiat da ka ba Siew shwa sau phau na ka shispa na ka pisa ka ba kidei ban Siew bat ya kan riu phau na ka shispa ka ba sa ki la ban pendap da ka ba Siew kindiat ha ki san sin ne san installment bat ya ka sudru and map lut barok. Kum kadak kajing sedang ha kaban penteri kami kini ke OTS scheme ha kini ke sengi lepen itu ru syau Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla ikisan ngut kinong shnong na kini ke nong ba Shillong ke belayo kini ke scheme bat lama ru ikasut lani ke Kuna bat lada ken lang kasut jang kini baro san ngut ka ba kidei ban Siew Henry lama no kalakot syaka arlak nyau phau saw hajar kendai spa lai phau nyau Tyngka kendai naya. Kini ke one time settlement scheme kan terikam tang haduk kalai puai terik mentau benai leber arjar arpesan ha ka bagi nongshong shnong Khuborjylla ki bela syaot ke Bording elektrik kila aban apply Lyngba ki office terikam jong tanat Bording ki beran keleng ki shnong ha kini Khuborjylla.
One real no cloud. One piece will do all the hard work and then we take on the nice. Jasa dah apa? Antrisha Marmo.
This is the answer. I'm like 14,000 liters.
On her behalf, Shri Abad.
Hadin kejingalang pelat pa ya kini ke OTS scheme ha kini ke sengi Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula pelat pa baru ikin riu teli ki kali ki blasna kerpang na kebenta ki nong tre jong ketanat Bording ki bahab ban nechna ha badon kejing du Bording kamtam ban kiu di kejingking hapus elektrik Henry minta kim don kam syu ban ra jingking da ka ba penon kam di kini ki kali. Kuma kalong menta kejing thiet kum kini ki kali kalong tang kejing sedang ha ka bah ki benai banwan en sa thiet na ka benta ki wei pat ki district jong Khuborjylla.
Thank you very much for coming to this program. We are here in the premises of the NECL, and there are two important programs that we had today. The first was an OTS program, that is one-time settlement program for our smaller consumers. If you recall, we had come out with an OTS for larger consumers. We felt that there is a need to give this option to even the smallest consumer of ours and the common man, and to be able to help and support and give them an opportunity to clear the dues that are pending and unnecessarily creating financial burden on them. With that objective, we started the OTS program of 2025, especially for our BPL consumers. Through this program, we are writing off all the surcharges that are there. And apart from writing off the surcharges, the principal amount that is there, only 40% has to be paid as down payment, and the rest of the 60% can be paid in installments, which will again be interest free, so that there's no more interest and surcharges that pile up in the future. So this is a program that is going to affect almost 45,000 consumers in the state, and the consumers will get a support of close to about 26 crores of amount will be waived off for this 45,000 consumers, and the total dues that are there is about 119 crores. And as I said, that we urge our consumers to come forward and take advantage of this so that we can clean the slate once and for all and start off fresh. And this is a great opportunity, as I said, for the consumers, as we'll be waiving off the late payment charges. The second program that we're having today is the flagging off of the maintenance vehicles. This is being done again in a process to make the entire maintenance and the services more efficient under the MECL. In the past, similar maintenance work used to be done by taking ladders, and the vehicles used to then carry the manpower and the ladders, and on that basis the ladder is used to rectify the lines, which could be a great inconvenience because sometimes the ladder would be short, and it could also be a danger for the people who are working as linesmen because the location could be slippery in very difficult situations. So keeping all of that in mind, we have modernized our maintenance program, and we have started with a fleet of few vehicles where these maintenance vehicles are powered hydraulically, which will allow the maintenance to be done in a much more faster and much more efficient way. We are starting with few vehicles as a pilot project, and very slowly we will expand this fleet into different parts of the state, in especially the rural areas and all the district headquarters, so that we are able to create and have a better uptime, and the maintenance can be done in a much more faster manner, and the safety and security of a linesman also can be kept in mind.